Baby, this is coming out of my skin, okay?
My beauty, my style, self-growth, my way. Can we get a little bit of commotion for the wig, okay? Just a little bit of commotion. From the kinky edges, looking like they're coming out of my scalp, to this luxurious hair, these beautiful curls that I did. Oh my gosh, I'm telling y'all, I was smiling from ear to ear when I put this wig on. But anyway, I'm going to get into how I did this exact look today. So today I am using the Kinky Edges HD Lace Ventilated Wig, which has hyper realism edges, and that is from ILIKEHAIR. So first and foremost, huge shout out to ILIKEHAIR for sponsoring today's video, and I will definitely have a coupon code for you guys. It will be down in the description box below. But as you can see, this hair is so thick and full. There is no stringy ends on it, even down to the ends of the hair is super full. But as you can see, they did send over a couple little goodies in their pouch that they give you with your wig. So we had a couple of duckbill clips. We have a little ILIKEHAIR clip, which I thought was super cute. They gave me the ILIKE band. They give you the double edge comb, which is the edge brush comb and brush combo, and then the rat tail comb as well. I'm going to start off by parting the hair down the middle. Now, here's the thing. I am going to use my wax stick to go ahead and get those hairs nice and flat, but I'm not going to press it or use my hot comb to really get it super straight. So where my thumb is right there, I'm going to start about that far back because I want my hair to look as natural as possible. I want my roots to look full. So I don't want to give that effect where it's like super flat, like I'm doing a silk press, but I just wanted it to get flat enough just so, like I said, when I put the Flexi Rods in there, that it can give, a little bit of part, but not too like super flat. So anyway, right now I'm just separating the hair into 4 sections. That way I can go ahead and get everything nice and prepped because I want to use about 3 Flexi Rods on each side in the back and then 3 in the front on each side as well. So not too many Flexi Rods, but yeah, we got enough. That way the curls can be juicy. That's how they come out, nice and juicy. But anyway, so what I'm doing right here is I am misting water, a little bit of anti-frizz spray, and then I'm using my mousse. Now, here's the thing. When the hair is dry, you really want to focus that mousse right on the ends of the hair because that is the part that we need to stay around that Flexi Rod and not move. So I'm using the horseshoe method. All you do is make a U shape or horseshoe shape with your Flexi Rod, and then you're going to separate both sides of the hair to start your twist on each side. I want that really pretty spiral type curl. So here is the thing. When you are rotating the hair around the Flexi Rod, be sure as you're twisting around that you're rotating your wrist and twisting around. So as you can see, I'm rotating my wrist every time, and that's going to really give that spiral type look for the curl while it is on the Flexi Rod. Now here is the other thing to keep in mind. Make sure that you leave yourself the proper amount of space right there at the bottom so that you can make sure that you can close that Flexi Rod off. So that's where I'm pointing at right now. Leave the proper amount of space. Then I go back in one more time with my mousse to really get it nice and saturated. So again, that last little part can stay around that Flexi Rod. And then I'm just going to go ahead and close it off and start on the other side. So now I'm on the other side. As you can see, with that horseshoe method, you just twist one side of the hair on one side and one on the other. So I'm going to give a nice secure tug right at the root so it can make sure that it's nice and tight. And then doing that same method, I am twisting as I'm rotating around. So I know my elbow's in the way just a little bit right now, but I promise it'll get better. So I just wanted to show you guys how it looks as it's rotating around that Flexi Rod. Like I said, giving it a nice secure tug, rotating that wrist. That way it can get those nice juicy spiral curls. And then again, as I am getting towards the end, I'm just being cautious of how much space I have because I want to make sure this hair is long. I don't know if I mentioned it or not, but this is, I believe, a 22-inch wig. So I definitely had a lot of hair to wrap around, but it's okay. Like I said, just make sure that you're being cautious if you decide to do the Flexi Rod method and get the juicy curls as well. Just make sure you leave enough space so that you can close them off at the end. And now I'm just gonna go through and do a little fast pace. That way you guys can just see what I'm doing. Flexi Rods sit on the wig for a whole entire day. I know these girls are about to come out gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with my even lace bond spray just to go ahead and kind of slick everything back. I am not doing a ball cap for this install. I'm just going to go ahead and slick my hair back. Put a wig cap on, although I am not doing the ball cap method, but because that part is going to be kind of in the middle of my head and showing just a little bit, like I said, it's not showing much, but it is going to show just a tad. I'm just going to kind of pull it back some. That way when I put my lace on, you won't be able to see it. It's just going to kind of sit right back here, right on top of where that part is going to be. So we're going to leave that there, and then I'm going to take a little bit of my Ruby Kiss foundation and kind of just put it right there in the middle where that part is going to show. Boing, 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 boing. Oh, I gotta hurry up and get this on my head. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do to put it on my hair. First, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of lace tint spray. I did not bleach knots. I did not do none of that, okay? I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of lace tint spray. I'm gonna dry it in place, and I'm gonna put a little bit of my same makeup that I applied on my little cap up here. Let's go ahead and take some of these back ones out just to loosen up the wig a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and line my lace up, and I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying it down. Actually, I think I want to go ahead and just start in the middle. So when it comes to laying down the lace, I am using the even lace bond spray. And what you want to do is, you'll see me kind of using my finger because it's very, very like juicy, okay? So whenever you spray it, it will run, but just make sure that you use a finger to kind of spray in place and then just dab it in the area that it needs to be. And it dries fairly quickly, so you don't have to worry about that part. So after I have sprayed down my lace spray, dried everything, I put that wig band on, and then I just went ahead and took out the rest of the Flexi Rods. Do y'all see the curls? Okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Do you see the curls? It's time for me to go ahead and cut the lace, but before I cut the lace, I'm gonna kind of comb out these edges just a little bit because they did get a little hard when I spray the lace spray on there. Now I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit of spray to go ahead and make sure everything is secure and melted down. So I've got my band back on, as you guys saw, so I can go ahead and let that lace melt all the way in. So while that is sitting, this time around, I'm going to go ahead and separate my curls. I'm going to hit it with a little anti-frizz mist and then put just a little bit on my hands as well. That way I can separate the curls.
makeup to kind of get the white little areas out because my makeup was dripping when I was putting that spray on, this is crazy. This hair is a must have. You have to have this wig. This is giving like natural girl hair, like instant overnight natural girl, okay? I don't even know what else to say, but I think this hair is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Thank you so much again to ILIKEHAIR for sponsoring today's video. Y'all know that I will not leave y'all hanging. I will definitely have the coupon code listed in the description box. Please, I am like seriously begging y'all, please make sure y'all check out this hair, okay? Because like, baby, what? Tell me what y'all think. Like, are we loving this hair? Are we loving the hyper realism edges? Like, it is giving straight natural girl, you know, textured hair, which is what we love. We don't have to do the slick on boom 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 baby hair. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Y'all already know, if you've been here before, what I'm about to say, but if you have not, okay, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, baby, and also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well so you can see when the videos is going up on the channel. And today's video is crazy. Like, this hair is crazy, okay? Until next time, bye.